In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Fiverr. So whether you want to accept payments yourself on Fiverr or you need to pay for a service, I'm going to teach you how you can go ahead and add a payment method. Now, before I get into the actual how-to of doing this, I'd like you to please watch the whole video the whole way through to ensure that you don't miss any steps out and you don't accidentally spend more money than you want to or something like that. So make sure you pay close attention and watch the whole video the whole way through. That being said, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to head over to the Fiverr website, which is fiverr.com. Now remember, you want to have two R's on Fiverr because that's the way they spell it. And if you do one for R, it's going to be a different website. Once we've gone onto fiverr.com, we need to then log in to our account. And there's a lot of ways you can log in. You can log in with Google, there's tons of different options. Just figure out the way you want to log in and do that. And once you're logged in, you should be sent to a page that looks like this. So this is what it's going to look like. Now, you want to go over here to your account and click on this button here. Now, there's a lot of different settings you can fiddle around with here, but the one we're kind of looking for is the billing and payment section. So I'm going to open that in a new window. So now that we're in here, it's going to give us a list of our billing history. This is the date you bought it, the transaction type, service, the order number, currency, and the amount that you paid on it. So if you go through here, it's going to tell you all of the different options here. So from here, we want to go over, there's a few things we can go. We can go to billing information. That's the first one we need to fiddle with. In here, you're going to want to put all your information in. So you want to put your first name and last name, the company you work for's name. You don't have to put that, that's optional. The state that you live in, the country you live in, your address, your city, your postcode, and your VAT number. Now, if any of these are not applicable to you, you can leave those blank. So this is pretty crucial. Make sure you filled this in. And once we've done that, we can then go over to the available balances, see what we have. So this tells you how much money you have in Fiverr. And lastly, you can go to payment methods, which is going to be where you add the different payment methods. So from here, there is a lot of different funding methods. You can fund it with PayPal. If you click add new method here, you can add a new method. So I'll click that. And the options here are credit or debit cards. So you can do Visa, MasterCard, or these ones. I don't really know what those are. Or you can do PayPal. I'd recommend doing it with a debit card just because it's easier that way. You can then select the payment method you just added and make it default onto your account, which will mean that by default, you will get charged to that bank account when you pay for something on Fiverr. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.